When readying your Victory Innovations Electrostatic Handheld sprayer for use, you want to ensure you have a fully charged battery so you are prepared for your job. All Victory sprayers come with a 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery. To charge your battery, simply align the grooves of the battery into the charger and push the battery forward into a locking position. Listening for the click, you'll notice the charger has two sets of lights on it. When oriented as shown, the set of lights on the right side indicate the amount of time left remaining before the battery is fully charged. The lights along the left side of the charger will indicate the level of charge currently inside the battery. When the battery is finished charging, snap it into place in the slot just below the sprayer handle.